The following is brought to you by PaulAkers.net.
Hey everyone, if you've ever thought about going to Japan, now's the time. As you know, a lot of you have been following me. I just did 5 Japan study missions, very successful. We trained over 100 leaders from over 25 countries. We have 3 more trips going in the month of February. Actually, the last week of January, starting January 29th to February 5th, we only have 8 spots left because the other 2 trips are completely booked up. We have a team from Ireland going, and we have a team from Australia completely booked. 8 spots left in Team 36, the very first one. You can go to my website, paulakers.net, and if you're interested, you better sign up because once they're gone, they're gone. And hopefully we'll see you in Japan. It's going to be an epic, life-changing trip. We'll talk to you soon.
Paul, thank you so much. I feel like in the last 4 days, I've learned more than anything I've learned in my maths degree I've been doing for the last 4 years. Anything I learned in school, everything's slotted together. And my mind is just completely blown. And I just feel like a completely different person. I feel like I understand a clear strategy forward. Thank you so much.
By PaulAkers.net.